Let's talk about putting aftermarket stocks on B&T rifles. Hey everyone, Sean Burrows with B&T USA and Team Federal. I finally have my favorite competition stocks ready to go on my B&T competition rifles to further prepare for the 2020 competition season. My first 3-gun match of the year is just around the corner, and I'm getting excited. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you how versatile these B&T rifles are and how you can pretty much put any AR stock that you like on a B&T rifle. So today I'm going to be outfitting my APC308 and APC223 with these butt stocks, and we're going to use the back plate that the gun came with and attach a buffer tube to it. And then of course I'm going to do the same thing for my primary 3-gun rifle, the APC223, because I love these things and I want consistency as I switch from one rifle to the other. And of course, stay with me to the end so you can find out how to get a better deal on these things than you can pretty much anywhere else online right now. So to get it installed, all you have to do is screw the buffer tube in until it is flush with the hinge plate on the inside and no further. Otherwise, you're going to have a hard time getting the hinge plate to line up with the back plate when you put the hinge screw back in. But one of the nice things is you can actually put the entire stock on without having to take the gun apart at all. Now, as far as adjustments go, one of my favorite things is to be able to independently adjust length to pull and lateral adjustments. So I like to have the rifle in towards the center of my body about 3/4 of a buffer tube than the stock is on my shoulder. Why? Because I have wider shoulders. I don't want to have to cock my head over to be able to look through my optic, obtain my target, and move from one target to the other in the course of fire in a 3-gun match. So here you can see how I have it set up on my APC223. It's in just a little bit, and both the stock and the gun are upright. So it's not like the stock is angled one way or another, and the gun fits me and is darn near center so I can acquire my optic faster. This makes for way more solid offhand shooting than I ever thought possible. So I was really excited when I first put this on my first competition rifle. As far as the comb and cheek riser adjustment, I have a really tall face, so I don't really need to do much. I usually just keep this flush with the bottom, and it gives me the exact amount of support I happen to need. All right, 2 rifles, 2 stocks, and I just need to get an Elfman trigger on the 308, and we'll be ready to rock. Of course, more rifles to come, but this is a good start for the 2020 season. Now we just need the 2020 season to start. As far as getting the best price you possibly can on one of these bad boys, just send me a direct message. There will eventually be a link below this video wherever you are watching it, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or otherwise. But until then, send me a direct message and I'll get you a special price on it. It is not something that can be listed as per minimum advertised price guidelines, but I'm happy to hook a fellow B&T fan up with one of these awesome TacMod stocks. If you have any other questions or requests about modifying B&Ts and getting them ready for competition or other applications, please leave the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'm Sean Burrows, and I'll see you next time.